Telemedicine centers have been launched in the Kherson and Mykolaiv regions. These regions were under occupation and constant shelling for more than 9 months. Outpatient clinics were plundered, equipment was taken away, facilities were destroyed, and after the Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant was blown up, some villages were flooded. Despite this, life is returning, and medical care is also being reinstated.
After the full-scale Russian invasion began, the clinic was completely ransacked. Equipment and furniture were taken away. Everything was destroyed, everything was defaced and scattered around. It was a terrible sight. There were medicines and bandages here. The cupboard was full. They cut all the lamps, all the lampshades, all the wiring was pulled out. Everything is destroyed. Like this. We tried to restore everything ourselves. We washed everything we could. Removed the old furniture. Anything we could. So we could start working again. This is the office of the telemedicine center where we are now. They also took all the chairs out of here. Everything that was here, that is, it was completely empty. Thanks to the team and the sponsors, we received a lot of equipment. Electronic otoscope, electronic stethoscope, electronic dermatoscope. We received computers and equipment for examining patients. We received a database of doctors. Now everyone has the opportunity to consult a doctor, free of charge, which is the most important thing.
Our village was not occupied, but it was in the grey zone and was under constant shelling for 9 months. When we returned, we saw that our clinic had been destroyed. The roof was completely gone, the walls were damaged. Our building was the first to be restored. We are grateful to the donors who came here and restored the clinic, which is now shining again. We now have a wonderful telemedicine center.
People can visit center, consult with a doctor, receive professional consultation, undergo tests, and have a cardiogram performed. We can listen to their lungs and heart. All of this information is sent to specialized doctors, who provide their consultation and recommend further examination. We do what we can here. If it's beyond our capabilities, they have to go to Mykolaiv. People come back with additional tests and consult their doctor, who gave them advice. We are very happy, and people are very happy. It's a wonderful opportunity.
There are specialists from all over Ukraine, from all corners of Ukraine. And when people come to us, they have the opportunity to solve their health problems and get advice in a short period of time. We have a lot of doctors. They have over 30 specialties.
Endocrinologists, gynecologists, people have consulted surgeons, urologists, gastroenterologists, dermatologists. There are a lot of pediatricians, pediatric dermatologists, pediatric endocrinologists, pediatric gastroenterologists. We work with doctors from all over Ukraine. Since the telemedicine center began operating, we have helped a large number of people. People who live here and in the surrounding villages come to us. People are very grateful because it is very convenient.
You can consult a doctor for free and get answers to all your questions. This is a huge contribution to our outpatient clinic.
Each center has a feedback box and a hotline for complaints, suggestions, and words of gratitude. To make an appointment, call or visit the nearest clinic where the telemedicine center operates. We are looking forward to seeing you for a consultation.